Oh, look at that. You're so pretty. Hell yeah, you're a good looking motherfucker. Shit. I used to drive truck. Fuck that. Not for everybody. Not for everybody, baby. Oh, I gotta go pee. Oh, fuck. I have to go potty. I got a headache, bro. My head. Don't break my head. My achy, breaky head. I got a headache, baby. It's fucking Friday, baby. It's Friday, baby. Friday used to not mean shit during summer break. I didn't even fucking half time I didn't know what day it was. But now I know it's Friday, and that means I get to sleep in tomorrow. Yeah, and Sunday. Normally on Fridays we have a late start, but not today. For some reason they said not today, baby. And so here we are, like normal time, which is fine. Oh, what up, Martha? Martha. Oh, she's so Hispanic, is she? Wait. Let's see. Go home, edit a video while I eat some chili. You know what I like to do is fry up an egg or 3 and put it on my chili con carne. Arr. I like spicy chili too, so I'll make my chili. When I'm done with it, I'll throw in a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of cayenne powder and a little bit of, I like to put sriracha on fucking everything, but we out of sriracha, so that makes me depressed. I'm very depressed about the sriracha being gone. Mommy, we're out of sriracha. It goes on everything. Macaroni with sriracha, bitch. Rice, sriracha, girl. You ever try this one thing? It's called chewy rice and cheese, or taco rice and cheese. And it was a recipe that we learned from Yapa. It was in Yapa, Japan. Just outside, well, the whole island of Okinawa, you could get it. So like, when I was in the Marine Corps, I was stationed at Camp Hansen, 9th Engineer Support Battalion, baby. Heavy Equipment Platoon, Maintenance Section. Arr. Arr, arr. And we'd go out into town to Kin Town. It was called Kin, K-I-N, Kin Town. Oh, taco rice and cheese. There was a like a corner stall that sold teriyaki chicken, but just next door was like another place. I don't know what they did, but there was always like little cats and dogs out for sale, and we were pretty certain that chicken was just like, you know, cat and dog meat. Sometimes it just did not taste like chicken would, but it was good and I ate it. Not letting to let it go to waste. You know, that animal didn't die for nothing, just to be thrown in the garbage. So turned into poop. But that's where we learned about taco rice and cheese. And what you do is you just make rice, and then you make ground beef, right? You heat it up, cook it up, throw your choice of spices in it, and then top that with shredded cheddar cheese. Oh my motherfucking god, baby. Holy shit! Dude, that was our go-to, man. Especially a night out drinking. We get that, order 2 of them, and smash the fuck out of it. Fuck! Oh my god, it was so good. Dude, woo! It was good. And so, I taught my wife the recipe. And now we make it from time to time. And she'll add her own little flair to it. Because it's not, you know, it doesn't have to be exact. But you do have to use rice. And you do have to use ground beef. I had one time tried to substitute ground chicken. And I could feel myself being judged by God. He's like, yo, that's wrong, son. I'm like, you're right, I'm sorry. I never did it again. I might make some of that. Actually, no, I won't. Because I don't have the time. Well, I have time, actually. But I don't want to spend my time cooking. I have to do the dishes already. That's right, I gotta do the dishes. So we'll go home, fry up a couple of eggs, heat up the chili, put cheese on that chili with some hot sauce and whatever I said earlier, put the fried eggs on that, and then while I'm eating that, snacking on it, I'll do the dishes. It's called multitasking, baby. So yesterday was the hottest motherfucking day of the year. 107 degrees. So the weatherman lied about it. He said it was only going to be 101. Bitch! It's 107 degrees. And so that sucked. There was a rumor going around that the school district was going to shut down the school for the day because our schools are old and have poor cooling capabilities. And fuck, I wish they did. And meanwhile, I'm out here dying of heat stroke exhaustion to death. And my wife texts me, she's like, it's hot outside. I'm like, I fucking know. I know it's hot outside. And she was cold all day in the house. I was surprised, dude. We were able to keep the house at 71 degrees. Now, nowadays, what is that? Oh no, a bug! Ah, he's dead. Get off me, bug. Nowadays, remember, I did HVAC, so I am subject matter expert on this shit. This fucking bug, get off my body! Fuck. I am subject matter expert on all things heating and cooling. I mean, not all things, but I did it for a long time. I know what I'm talking about. Modern day air conditioners, if you bought one in the last 10 years, can only cool, I mean, it can do more, but for the most part, it'll cool your house 20 degrees colder than outdoor ambient air temperature. Now, that's not to say all systems, but if you're in the Pacific Northwest, sorry, bud. Because the way they do things, so stuff that's sold in the South is not the same as what's sold here. So let's say you live in North Carolina and it gets hot and humid. A lot of people have 2 systems in their house, right? Especially a 2-story. My dad's old house had 2. Now he's only got 1, but it's different. They're different, so I can't speak to those. But the ones here in the Pacific Northwest, they base it off average temperatures. So the average summer temperature is about 90 degrees-ish, 95 maybe. And they say, and they don't go off the hottest point of the day. It's just the average. And you can expect to reliably cool your house 20 degrees colder than outdoor ambient air temperature. So if it's 100 degrees, you got 80. If it's 110, you got 90. Now you can cool a little bit farther than that, but there's strategies you can use, right? Don't wait until it's already hot to turn your shit on, right? You want to, it's more efficient to cool and then stave off versus cool all the way down, right? Especially when you have humidity involved. The air conditioner has to churn through all that humidity and heat. It's just going to take a long time, and it's really hard to do. But if you have your shit, let's say in the morning, it's 69 degrees in your house, but it's 63 outside, fucking open a window, put a box fan in the window, and suck in some of that hot or that cool air, right? You're going to have a vent somewhere, so either turn a ceiling, a bathroom vent on, or crack a window on the other side of the house. But pull in that cold air, push out that hot air, and once the outdoor temperature starts to climb, shut everything down, turn your air conditioner should already be on, set that bitch. Fucking died. That's okay, I got on a fucking tangent. I gotta get going. I'll go edit this video, I'll pop it up on the internet for you. I love you.